What is up, YouTube? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage, where we always get stuff done on this channel. I'm excited to reveal, excited to show you guys, excited to update everybody on my most recent purchase, which, as you saw in the last video, the Fusion is gone. There's no more, but we did get the replacement. So that's what this video is all about. So the vehicle is actually right behind you guys, right in front of my face, and it's already all said and done. It's mine. I own it outright. And like I said, it's pretty much everything I needed. It is specifically purchased for the exact situation I'm in, the exact situation I want to put myself in over the next year or so. To be honest, guys, I couldn't be any more happy. Before I show you guys what the vehicle is, what I have right here behind you guys, I want you guys to remember, like I said in my last video when I showed you the Fusion is gone, I did myself a commuter car, something really cheap, really affordable, extremely great gas mileage. I wanted a vehicle that is specifically affordable, cheap, great gas mileage, because all I need this vehicle for is to go to and from work in the most efficient way possible. So I say that because there's probably going to be a lot of different mixed opinions on what this vehicle is. I'm very purposeful, very practical in my purchases, and this is a perfect example of what I needed and what I wanted. But at the same time, I actually was able to get certain features on this vehicle that I didn't expect to find, to be quite honest. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Better yet, to give you guys a better vantage point of the vehicle so you guys can see an upfront view of it. Without further ado, let me show you what I got. Welcome to the channel, the new vehicle, the new commuter car, my new little toy that I'm gonna be using day in and day out as I go to and from work. It is a Hyundai Accent. Just like my wife's, not exactly like my wife's, but very similar. This one here is a 2017 Hyundai Accent SE. There's a couple of goodies inside which I'm about to show you. But like I said, before you guys jump on me like,
why in the world would you replace the Fusion with this vehicle?
Remember, very purposeful. This purchase here was very tactical as far as what I needed it for and what I wanted to spend and what my plans are here in the near future. 2017 only had 38,000 miles on it, one owner vehicle, and they kept it in pristine condition and barely even used it. Pretty much unheard of. Practically brand new when I purchased it, and I got a steal of a deal on it. So with this vehicle, guys, I'm extremely excited. Like I said, it's everything I could ever wanted, everything I ever needed for this specific purpose. Matter of fact, it even came with the original window sticker that the first owners had. To go into the pricing, the value of everything here, $15,800 was MSRP. They said they actually did purchase it for this dealer asking price of $16,200. To give you guys a little idea of how much I paid, that 16 number over there, which is even before tax, title, license, I paid less than half of that number. The white color is actually very good out here in the Arizona heat. It repels a lot of that infrared rays and ultraviolet rays from the sun, so that the paint will actually hold up a lot longer than any other color vehicle. And I've actually already started to do stuff to it, even though I've only had it for a couple of weeks now. For example, these little vent visors here, because once it gets monsoon season, it's so amazing to be able to get that nice fresh after rain scent in the vehicle without getting the rain inside. More on the inside, went ahead and purchased already and installed some seat covers, pretty high quality seat covers if you ask me, off of Amazon. It's a black and gray, light gray, dark gray interior. Wanted to make sure I kept and coordinated with that, so I went ahead and wrapped the front and the rear seats here. As you can see, these are normally a light gray color, kind of like the doors right here. That is no more. Nice black gray contrast, and it looks beautiful. Back over here in the front, of course I had to put the WeatherTech in there. And the one thing that's extremely awesome, let me get inside the vehicle, it's this right here. Whoa. Check it out. It is standard, it is manual. This is something that I was surprised to find. You don't see too many cars that are manual. It is the Millennial anti-theft device, and not only is it a manual, it is a 6-speed in this little 4-cylinder car, which is why it gets such great gas mileage. I have my little trip timer set. Let me show you what type of gas mileage I'm currently getting. Click through the little things. That's the average speed, that's the total time. Of course, the eco. This guy has barely an 11-gallon tank, 261 miles, and still got almost 200 to go. But boom, that is the magical number there. That is what I wanted to show you guys. I am averaging 49.2, almost 50 miles per gallon in this car, and that is just freaking ridiculously unheard of in any type of normal engine vehicle. This is not a hybrid, it's manual, so I can control when I shift and how fuel efficient I drive, which is perfect. Everything I wanted, everything I needed. which is one of the big reasons, once again, why I love this car. We're already well into the mods of this guy, or well into purchasing the mods for this guy. Of course, we're gonna have new wheels and tires coming in soon. I'm gonna be going with the black and white theme. That contrast is just gonna look beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be hitting it with some vinyl. I'm not gonna do vinyl like I did on the Fusion per se, but for sure, I'm gonna be wrapping this roof black. And pretty soon here, gotta have darker tint. It's extremely hot over here in Arizona, so that tint right there, I think that's 35%. That's just not gonna do. Of course, get the window strip all the way across, maybe even do the full windshield. And of course, eventually, headlights, grille, fog lights. I'm gonna make sure I put my Everything Avon touch on this vehicle. I just couldn't leave stock. You know me. We got plenty of parts coming in for this vehicle. All kinds of cool things that we're gonna have for this car in this channel. So you guys make sure you stay tuned. So yes, to be continued, guys. We now have matching vehicles, even though hers is 2014, that's a 2017. Again, that was one of the big reasons why I kind of was already biased to or favored to the Hyundai Accents. I've already had experience with it. I've already known how this car is. I know how easy it is to maintain. It's really affordable. Parts are extremely cheap. So yeah, why not? But with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call this video quits. We went ahead and updated you on the new vehicle on the channel, and I'm extremely excited for what I have to come for this guy. Of course, gotta make it an extension of my own personality, like I love to do with all the vehicles that we have. But again, thank you guys for watching Everything Avon. Stay tuned for more. Love it, hate it. This guy is the right step into the direction of getting that guy onto this channel. I'm excited for the future, excited for what's to come. Just wait, guys. It'll be like this pretty soon. Something like this. You mark my words. We're gonna have one in the garage. Thank you guys for watching Everything Avon. Be sure you stay tuned for more. I'll check you out in the next one.